So the guys got the shell of the bin completed yesterday. All bolted down, sealed down. We still have the floor, tidy up the unload, and the fan to put on. It's a 42-foot diameter, and it's 9 rings tall, which equates to 33 feet to the eave. You can see over here is the fan and the power sweep. I got that to install next week. And the floor is spread out here at the base of the bin, getting everything sorted. And it's a used floor, so everything was all mixed together, so they kind of wanted to lay it out and get it sorted, make it easier to put in next week. See, we also been working a little bit on our air system and our dryer setup. New dryer to us as of last fall. Didn't use it last year, but we bought it we actually bought it in December, so ours was kind of over. We got the see over there sitting on the pad is the blower for the air system. And the other thing we got done is we got the concrete poured for this 5,000 bushel bin. Unfortunately, time isn't really going to allow us to get that bin up for this harvest. Kind of wish we could use the space, but it is what it is. And see, here's this is the blower for the air system. There's going to be a filter stack off the top, and then the pipe's going to come out of the air system over to our grain dryer here with the airlock. The airlock will be underneath the unload of the dryer, excuse me, and then transition over to the distributor with pipes running to 4 different bins. I know the camera doesn't do this bin justice. For us, this is for this part of the country, this is a big bin, 42,000 bushel. So again, here's the floor. They got all of the got the unloads here situated, and they got parts of the floor in the bin staged for laying out the floor. So yeah, so things are progressing. We actually started soybean harvest, so we got one of these 5,000s already full. And so my project this morning I got to move to the next bin. So it's kind of where we are here. I'm going to attach the time lapse of the rest of the construction of the new bin to this on the end here. And again, thank you all for watching. Hope you have a great day.